Okay, in this demo I'm going to show you how to work with the address book and contacts and how to manage and work with groups. So let's start off with contacts. You'll notice on the top toolbar here, when we're in the contacts section, then there are buttons that are relevant for the section. To add a new contact, we can click on the new contact button. Yeah, let's just enter a fictitious name, George Keatings. We enter the cell number, and then when we're done we can press OK. To delete a name we can click on the delete contact button. To edit details for a contact we can click on the edit contact button. If we want to blacklist a number, then we can click on this option here, exclude this contact from bulk messages. In that case, this contact will not receive messages that we send to them, and you can see that the name has become a little bit gray in the display. If we want to find a specific contact, we can click on the find, and then as we type we will already see a list of names that match what we've typed. So that's a quick way to find a contact, and then we can double click on the contact to edit any details that we might need to change. Let's look at the group section now. In the group section we have similar buttons on the top toolbar here to create a new group, edit a group, or delete a group. So let's create a new group. We're going to call it group 2. And now this group has no contacts in it. So now what we're going to do is manage the group so that we can add some contacts to this group. This dialog that comes up on the left we can see is a list of all contacts that are not in this group, and here are the list of contacts that are in the group, and we can see there at this point there are no contacts in the group. So now we're going to select number of contacts that we want to move into this group. We select them and then we click on the add to group. Then they're no longer in this list and they are in the right list. If we want to find a specific name, we can just type in this edit box, and that will make it easier for us to select the names that we want to add. Similarly, if we want to remove a few names from the list, we select them over here on the right side, and then we would click on the remove button for them to be removed from the group. Then these buttons over here, this is to select all, and this is to select none, uncheck all. This will show only checked entries. So that is how we can add contacts or remove contacts from a specific group. Now let's just go back to the contacts section and show you that when we edit a contact, then we can also select which groups they should be part of. So that's another way to control which group a specific contact is in.